Nongthawaiñ nakaslem jong Nongthawaiñ Hima.
MLA Bathamai ka Soyong constituency uba Synshar ko paroi Ïingdorbar ubade ukertong ka UDP menta ka singi ka khatri trek ujemang arajar akulai la shapan bam smai kum unong mikmat Bathamai sha ka Ïingdorbar Nongthawaiñ ka jilla hakani ka singi lapan bam smai uba Synshar da usembut lampang ka Ïingdorbar Nongthawaiñ ka jilla utimati shira haringkat ka jinga danlang ki nongket kam ki nomi kman bat ki dekhot ka seng UDP Hapoh Kren bikilat patai kubur hadian beladap ban bam smai ubak Synshar Ïingdor loong bagajing penthamai ka Soyong constituency kalawan bat kum juru sauwei pat uriu shampang la kentop lang Hapoh ka Ïingdorbar Nongthawaiñ ka jilla ubak Synshar loong ru bakumba umahe HDR Ïingdor bam Kwah duar ublei ulah sedang nadu na tenrai bolale shibun na kabenta ka Soyong mauru kum unomi khmat bethamai un sedang biang nadu na tenrai Hapoh Kren halor ka jingkren jong ha ka sngi bu job ha bau loong bu Kwah ban nong tang unomi khman henrei kum Nongthawaiñ ru kum ju na kaleng ba Synshar loong ba kani ka jing ong ka jong ka dei ka ba umut ban ong bu Kwah ban Nongthawaiñ ban Kren Hapoh ka Ïingdorbar khna ba kan nong ka jingker siu thia iki wei pat ki nomi khman am ban chulet chi Ïingdorbar ban chu Shong
Roy Ïingdorbar have been elected a member of the Legislative Assembly do solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
Bob.
See walang kapang mo. Nang nis kamat sedang like what I've said, starts a new era. Soyong constituency, and also I think a good thing, and with God's blessing to the people of the constituency and also for the state.
What do you, new era in what sense you can explain?
I didn't get you.
A new era in what sense?
New era means a new MLA of Soyong constituency starts a new development, new ideas of bringing something new to the constituency and also adding a new brain to the assembly. Thank you.
You said earlier that you will be a lawmaker beyond the legislative task. So can tell us what way?
I didn't say much about that, but being a legislator, you just come and sit in the assembly. I want to be a legislator who will speak in the assembly, which me speaking might be an addition or wake-up call to many other MLAs in the assembly. Starts from ground zero. He's done a lot for the constituency, and talking about myself, then I'll start everything from ground zero. Thank you.